Dogecoin has been the undeniable leader of this meme coin rally so far. And obviously it's because Elon Musk is taking so much attention, creating the Department of Government Efficiency, and putting all of that focus onto Dogecoin. But a lot of people wonder, is it too late? And if you're reading the headlines of these articles as I'm speaking, you're starting to understand, well, heck no, it's not too late. As a matter of fact, we could just be getting started. As a matter of fact, well, all of those graphs that Claybro puts on the screen saying that the bull market rally is just beginning might be true. We're going to be talking about it in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we're talking about meme coins. We're talking about cryptocurrency. We're talking about Dogecoin, and I'm going to be going over, in a minute here, Pepe Unchained. Absolutely insane, guys. Yesterday it was $65 million. Today it's $68 million. These guys are doing $2.5 to $3 million a day right now in net inflows. And if they keep that up, it's going to be doubling in price every roughly 2 to 3 days. Now, I'll talk about why, but if you are interested in buying, there's a link in the description and the pinned comment. All you're going to do is click Connect Wallet. Now, you got all these options. I like to use Wallet Connect, scan this QR code with the Trust Wallet on my phone, and then determine how much I want to buy. If I'm going to grab 5 Ethereum worth, well, let's type it in again. If I'm going to grab 5 Ethereum worth, I'm walking away with 1,381,210 Pepe Unchained tokens, which analysts believe are going to be worth anywhere from 10 cents to $1. If they're right, we're going to be rich. But let's talk about why the overall meme coin market still has so much room to run. Because to think about Dogecoin fizzling out, to think that Dogecoin is too high now, that the gains are over with, why would we expect Pepe Unchained to go up? Why would we expect Shiba Inu coin or Pepe or any other meme coin for that matter to rise in value if, of course, prices are already saturated and too high? Well, we wouldn't. Read these headlines, guys. Dogecoin breakout alert. Analyst maps out over a 2,000% rally ahead. That's a 20x gain from the current levels. That takes you to nearly $10 per coin. Dogecoin has soared 350% in the 2024. A trader predicts a 10x jump within 90 days. Guys, now we're talking about $4 or $5 per Dogecoin. All of these headlines are extremely bullish. Look at the most conservative one. Analyst says Dogecoin's price at $1.30 to $1.50 is still possible. Here's why. Now, I'm not going to go into the analysts and all of their technical charts and all of that in this video, but I am going to point something out, okay? I don't know how high Dogecoin is going to go, but I do believe Dogecoin could go higher. Why? These two charts, to me, these two charts say it all, because I truly believe that the amount of people that were here in 2017 and the amount of people that were here in 2021, I do believe that we have got a lot of room to go before we begin to stall out on the people interested in cryptocurrency. Maybe some people got burned in 2021. Maybe some people got burned in 2017. But here's what they're starting to say to themselves. Prices actually are rising. Bitcoin's at an all-time high. A lot of these cryptos that fell and I panic sold on are rising once again. Maybe I should stay committed. Now, what ran up in 2021? What ran up the most in 2017? Altcoins in 2017, meme coins in 2021. Where do you think the tiny amount of retail investors are returning to? You guessed it correctly. Meme coins. Even though we're at 1/10 of the amount of search volume that the cryptocurrency term had back in 2017. Meme coins are dominating in search volume compared to any point in history. These are being searched more now than ever. So if you're looking for meme coins, yeah, Dogecoin still has plenty of room to run. Pepe Unchained has just as much, if not more. Because clearly Pepe Unchained is not going to be launching with a $50 billion market cap like Dogecoin. So there's a lot of room to even catch up to some of the big names like WIF, Bonk, Pepe, Shiba Inu coin, and so on. But Pepe Unchained is doing something almost fantastic, right? we're seeing nearly $2 to $3 million a day in net inflows. Now, clearly you can't sell when it's in its pre-sale stages, and I expect a lot of people to sell once this token launches. But I expect a lot more people to buy as well, especially if these major exchange listings include Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, and so on. So let's just take what we know now and extend it out. Let's not necessarily try to guess as to what's going to happen. We know now we're doing roughly $2 million a day in net inflows. I have no idea what the volume is going to be. Maybe it's 200 million, 98 million buys, or sells, 100 million buys. Whatever it is, if we continue to do $2 million a day in net inflows, and you come out to the tokenomics, and you see that 7.5%, let's just see what that is. 7.5% times the maybe 70 million. $5.25 million in the liquidity pool. Now, I imagine the Pepe Unchained is going to raise a lot more money in the next 9 days. So let's say somewhere between $5 to $7.5 million flowing into this liquidity pool at the start. If all of a sudden you add $2 million a day to that liquidity pool, every 2-3 days, the price of Pepe Unchained is going to double. That's not me wanting it to double. I want you guys to know that, right? Understand the relationship to the price of a token and the amount of money in its liquidity pool. More inflows, right? More buys, more net inflows drives the price higher. And of course, it drives it higher at the rate of which inflows are compared to the overall liquidity pool. So if Pepe Unchained just does what it's doing now, people are going to be making a ton of money. I am here for this bull market rally. I believe that we are just getting started. I do believe that Dogecoin has, I don't know if it's a 20x, 10x, 3x. I don't know how much more room it has, but I believe Dogecoin's got a lot of room to run. I believe that tiny little tokens like Pepe Unchained have even more room to run. I want to know what you guys are doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm diversifying into everything. Let me know if you guys are diversifying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.